Hi guys, it's Kylie again with Pure Plumbing, and I am here with Juan again. We're at the same property as last week. We are going to just go over a little recap of what happened last week and what we're working on this week. So let me flip it around and Juan will take it away. Hey Juan.
Hi, welcome back everybody.
Yes, part 2. So last week we saw some open trenches here for the sewer replacement. Can you just give us a little recap of what's happened since then?
Sure, if you follow me, I'll give you a little tour. So this was the open trench that we had last time. As you can see, we already backfilled it. And of course, before we backfill, of course, we have to have it inspected. City inspector comes in and makes sure that all the connections are done properly and it's pretty much water tested. That was for the kitchen, and this is for the main sewer going into the house. Now, if you follow me, I'll take a little tour to the back.
A little bit easier to walk this week.
So we have all the trench already pretty much filled. So it needs to get tidied up a little bit, and then we can start pouring the concrete.
Got it.
If you follow me this way, so I'm working on my second phase, which is putting water back into the bathroom. Now, as you can see, this is a back-to-back bathroom, so it will be a bit easier to pipe. And we will be piping in with Aquapex right here.
Oh, okay. So that's the type of piping that we want to use.
Mm-hmm.
And why do we choose that brand?
So this is a pipe called Aquapex made by Uponor. It's a great product. We tie in our connections with expansion rings, and it's a really good product. The manufacturer gives it a 25-year manufacturer warranty, which is awesome. It's meant to last beyond that, but they warranty 25 years.
Okay, great. And it's supposed to last at least that long, correct?
Mm-hmm.
The lifespan?
It should outlast us.
Okay, perfect. No. Oh, and we're back.
Welcome back. So, as you can see, the drywall has been removed, and it was previously removed because it tested hot for asbestos.
Mm-hmm.
So we took advantage of the opportunity that we're not having to. We had to cut up high so we can redo our sewer, and we're gonna tie in our water supply. Awesome. And it's open on the other side, so if you want to follow me, so we can look at the other bathroom. Let's go take a look.
Totally. So you didn't have to do a second asbestos testing, it sounds like.
No, because we had already planned for water supply and the sewer. We opened all this up already, so it makes it accessible for both jobs. So this is my hot and my cold, and this is what I'll be using to supply my my back-to-back bathrooms here.
Wow.
And I already have the shower put in here. I'm gonna do another shower over there. That's for the sink, and toilets.
Perfect.
Hi, everybody.
All right, and we're sorry about
back.
that, guys. A little bit of connection issues. So can you explain a little bit of the issue? Were there soft copper lines underground?
Yeah, so the reason why we're rerouting these lines is because he had a few copper lines underground that were leaking here, and they were part of the reason why we had to do this major repair here. So instead of trying to jackhammer those copper lines and try to repair them, what we did is reroute them overhead from the main over to the bathroom here. So we just bypass all this underground and just bring it over. We could try to make some repairs there, but in order to make it 100% secure and prevent anything in the future from being from any leaks, we just bring them over and we just completely.
All right, we're back.
Welcome back,
got
everybody.
a drill.
This is actually the tool I use for connecting the pipe. So this is an expansion tool. Sure beats the hand pump. So yeah, I just explained how we completely eliminated the water lines down below, and we're going to be using these lines to supply the water here in the back-to-back bathroom.
Okay, so this is technically a reroute, correct?
Yes, it's technically a reroute. If it was a repipe, we'd be doing the whole house, and we're just doing the bathroom.
So that's the main difference between a repipe and a reroute. The repipe, you repipe the entire home.
The entire home. And a repipe, a reroute would just be rerouting certain lines. And that's what we did. We eliminated the lines coming up from the ground and distributing to the bathroom here. And we brought them from the source over to here, and we're going to distribute it evenly here.
All right.
Probably connected already.
Yes, it is. Yep.
Welcome back, everybody. We're having technical difficulties.
So, Juan, can you explain to our customers Pure Plumbing warranty for work like this?
Yeah, so we offer a one-year Pure Plumbing warranty. That's on parts and labor. And the manufacturer does put their 25-year warranty, but through us, you do get a standard 1-year parts and labor.
Okay, great. And that's just to guarantee, customer satisfaction and provide that phenomenal customer service.
That's the only service we provide.
And can you just tell us, how can something like this be prevented? This seems like a lot of work.
Well, the pipes that were placed underground cannot be prevented. Unfortunately, when something bursts underground, we can either jackhammer it and make a small repair, but you figure that line's starting to break in certain spots. It's just best to completely abandon that line and run a new line overhead.
Okay, thank you. And so this is why it's important to get your plumbing inspected before purchasing a home, correct?
That's correct. We do offer whole home inspections, and that includes main line, sewer, fixtures, anything that has to do with plumbing. We do an inspection on that.
All right, great. So I'm going to flip it around and say goodbye to our audience. Thank you so much, Juan. We really appreciate you. And hello. This is one of our newest team members, Pierre.
Yes.
Hi guys. So thank you so much for joining us as usual. Keep your plumbing pure and keep us informed. Give us any of your feedback, anything you want to see next time. And we'll see you next time. Very excited to do this for you guys. Bye.